Hi everyone, it's that time of the week where we go through what I'm wearing for the week for clothes and for wigs. So today is I'm moving, so today we're going to do a lot of packing and getting this house together. So I've got this cute little red top with some shorts. I have to work tomorrow, so we have a nice pretty dress. Then Monday we've got this pretty sweater with some olive green shorts. Then I've got another pretty dress. Then I've got this cute top with some shorts. And then I have this black top with this skirt. This is a long, like, maxi skirt. So there are the clothes for the week. Of course, lots of colors. Gotta have colors, mix match colors all over the place. I love color. All right, and so if we come over to the wigs, we have up on top, today I wanted something really short to stay out of my face. So we're going with Sheer Obsession and SF1026 Buttered Toast. So that's from Paula Young. Tomorrow, with that really pretty pink rose dress, I'm going to wear Tony of Beverly's Britt in Lilac Meringue. And then we have Misha and Pecan Delight, the 812A. And then I have a pink wig, Dusty Rose. Her name is Katy, K-A-T-Y. I bought her from Etsy from her wig closet. And then down here we have Envy's Alyssa Petite in black. And then I have the Amazon long blonde wig, ombre wig with black roots. And then I have Estetica's Orchid as backup just in case my mood hits me. And I have Jameson down there. She's I swap out for anything that I don't feel like wearing. Jameson is my backup. So there you have it. There's the wigs that I plan to wear for the week with my outfits for the week. So that's the reviews and installs that you can plan or expect to see coming up this week. So thanks for stopping by, and hope that you're excited as I am to see these wigs for the week. Thanks, guys.